Hello and welcome to this video on how to connect Ledger to MetaMask. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the browser where you have downloaded the extension of MetaMask. And when you're inside the web browser, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be download icon, and on the left hand side of the download icon there will be extension icon. Just click on it and there will be the list of extension that you have downloaded. So you just have to click on the MetaMask, and the MetaMask interface will be shown to you, but it will be shown in small screen. So you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen of MetaMask. There will be 3 dot icons. Just click on it and there will be list of things, and you just need to click on expand view. And when you click on the expand view, the MetaMask will be opened in the full screen in new web page. And when you are inside this interface and access this interface, you just have to look on the top, that is on the middle part, and there will be an account section. You just have to click on the account section, and on the bottom of the account section or the pop-up box that has appeared in your screen, there will be add account or hardware wallet. So you just have to click on add account or hardware wallet, and other 3 different options will be shown to you. So you just have to click on add hardware wallet, that is on the bottom. Just click on it and next interface will be shown to you, and there will be 4 different options. So in order to connect Ledger, you just have to click on the Ledger, and after that you can just insert your Ledger directly to your computer or your PC, and you can just click on the continue button and you will be able to connect Ledger to MetaMask. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.